Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from the crypto world. Bitpanda, a leading European brokerage for digital assets, has officially expanded its services into the Middle East and North Africa, or MENA, region. This move marks a significant step in Bitpanda's global growth strategy and shows its commitment to making cryptocurrency trading more accessible worldwide. Bitpanda's venture into the MENA region isn't just about spreading its geographic reach, it's about tapping into a rapidly growing market with immense potential. The Middle East has seen a surge in digital transformation and fintech innovation, making it a prime location for cryptocurrency enterprises. With this expansion, Bitpanda aims to offer a robust, compliant, and secure trading infrastructure to a new wave of users eager to explore the financial possibilities of crypto. So, what does this expansion into the MENA region mean for you as an investor or a crypto enthusiast? Bitpanda, already renowned for its user-friendly platform in Europe, is extending its highly praised simplicity and efficiency to the MENA region. This strategic move includes offering a comprehensive array of crypto-to-crypto trading options along with fiat-to-crypto services, catering to both seasoned traders and those new to the cryptocurrency world. For newcomers, Bitpanda is particularly appealing because it supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, effectively making it a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs, including buying, selling, and exchanging digital assets. The inclusion of such a broad range of services means that no matter your investment style or financial strategy, Bitpanda aims to accommodate your needs. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio with different cryptocurrencies or want to start with straightforward fiat-to-crypto transactions, the platform is designed to be accessible to all levels of users. This user-centric approach not only enhances the trading experience by providing various tools and resources needed for effective trading but also ensures that users can manage their investments with ease and confidence. The introduction of these services in the MENA region not only broadens the accessibility of cryptocurrencies but also democratizes the ability to invest, trade, and secure digital assets in a region that is rapidly embracing digital transformation. As Bitpanda opens up these opportunities, it could significantly alter how local investors perceive and interact with the global cryptocurrency market. Bitpanda is introducing its proprietary technology stack to ensure that all transactions are swift, secure, and seamless. This technology is not just about maintaining transaction integrity but also about providing real-time data and analytics to help users make informed decisions. It's about creating a trading environment that is both intuitive and powerful. The regulatory landscape in the MENA region has been experiencing significant transformations, adapting to the rapidly evolving digital finance sector. In this dynamic environment, Bitpanda has proactively engaged with local regulatory bodies to ensure its operations align with the latest financial laws and guidelines. This commitment to compliance extends beyond mere adherence to regulatory requirements. It is a deep-rooted commitment to maintaining high standards of security and transparency. By aligning its operations with strict regulatory frameworks, Bitpanda not only safeguards its platform against potential legal and financial pitfalls but also secures its users' investments and data. This level of compliance serves as a foundation for building trust among users and local authorities alike. Trust is essential in the cryptocurrency realm, as it encourages broader adoption of these technologies and integrates digital assets more fully into mainstream financial systems. Bitpanda's efforts to meet and exceed regulatory standards send a strong signal to potential investors and users about its reliability and stability as a financial service provider. This is particularly important in regions like MENA, where the legal landscape can vary widely between countries and where financial security and transparency are highly valued by consumers and regulators. Through its rigorous compliance measures, Bitpanda not only positions itself as a leader in safe and trustworthy cryptocurrency transactions but also contributes to the overall growth and legitimacy of the cryptocurrency industry in the region. This proactive approach to regulatory compliance is likely to facilitate smoother expansions and operations, fostering a healthier market environment for new and existing participants in the digital economy. The potential for blockchain technology in the MENA region extends beyond simple trading. Bitpanda's presence could catalyze new blockchain applications in various sectors like finance, supply chain, and government services. Their technology could empower startups and established businesses alike, paving the way for innovative uses of blockchain that could transform entire industries. But it's not just about the technology or the regulatory compliance. Bitpanda's expansion is also about community building. They are investing in educational initiatives to enlighten new users about the benefits and risks of cryptocurrency trading. Through workshops, seminars, and online content, Bitpanda aims to build a knowledgeable community of traders and enthusiasts who are well equipped to navigate the complexities of the crypto market. Of course, with any market expansion, there are challenges. The diversity of the MENA region, with its varying economic landscapes and cultural nuances, poses unique challenges that Bitpanda will need to navigate. Customizing their offerings to meet the specific needs of different countries within the region will be crucial. Additionally, while the interest in cryptocurrency is growing, there is still a significant portion of the population that is unfamiliar with digital currencies. Overcoming this knowledge gap will be essential for widespread adoption. In conclusion, Bitpanda's entry into the MENA region is a bold move that reflects the growing global interest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. For investors and crypto enthusiasts in the MENA region, this offers new opportunities not only for trading but also for participating in the evolving landscape of digital finance. As Bitpanda sets up shop in this new market, it will be interesting to see how it adapts and thrives in the dynamic and diverse environment of the Middle East and North Africa. That's it for today's episode. See you on the next one.